Where is the fuse box located in the 2024 Acura Integra, and how can you identify each fuse? In this guide, we will explore the fuse box diagram and locations, helping you understand their functions and ensuring easy troubleshooting for electrical issues. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box houses fuses and relays that protect key engine and electrical components. It is typically located near the battery for easy access. This box helps prevent damage from electrical overloads and short circuits. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box houses fuses that protect the vehicle's electrical components like power windows, radio, and interior lights. It's typically located under the dashboard or near the glove box. Easy access helps with quick fuse checks and replacements.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.